Okay, guys. Take two. This is my unveiling or unboxing of the National Geographic Geno 2.0 Next Generation DNA testing kit, basically testing your ancestry. So I got this in the mail today. I ordered it, I want to say Tuesday. Didn't get a confirmation letter that had shipped until yesterday, but I got it in the mail today. Was not expecting it to be in the mail till Monday, according to tracking online. So, woo! This is my first time, well, second time doing a video like this. I just tried to re-record the same video, and it didn't turn out so well. So, I'm trying again. Hopefully this will work a lot better and I can just post this straight to Facebook or whatever. So this is the kit. Retails on National Geographic for $199. I got it on sale for $149, and then I paid $10 shipping. So I paid $159 altogether. So, which is a little more on the pricey side as far as ancestry kits. But Ancestry DNA, I think, is actually on sale right now for $89. And I did originally purchase that one, but then I canceled the order because this one kind of has a lot more of what I was looking for and wanted to participate in. So, basically, this one right here, not only does it trace your ancestry, but it also traces the migratory pathways that your ancestors took, basically from the beginning of humanity to get you to where you are now. So it will trace your maternal pathway and your paternal pathway. And then it will also tell you, you know, what percentage of a specific ethnicity that your DNA most correlates to and things like that. But it also tells you if you have a certain percentage of Neanderthal DNA. So I'm excited about that. The anthropologist in me loves the idea of this because not only is it again an ancestry kit, but also it is an ongoing long-term National Geographic project to enhance I guess the database and to better trace the pathways of humanity. So I'm gonna open this guy up. Everything, like I said, is gonna be backwards, so sorry. I don't know how the YouTubers do it and flip it around. I mean, I don't know how they use, I don't know what they do, but and my child's dying. Give me 1 minute. Okay, I'm back. My children were fighting. Had to go break it up. Okay, so the Geno 2.0 Next Generation. Open this guy up. Of course, the plastic's already off now because I've already tried to record this video. Pop it open. And it comes with this little catalog, and then you've got this box in there. So we'll start with this. It was on top. It says Geno 2.0. Next Generation, your story, our story, the human story. It says, welcome to Geno 2.0. It says, thank you for joining us on one of the most exciting and profound exploratory journeys that National Geographic has undertaken. The Geographic project is an ambitious attempt to help answer fundamental questions about where we originated and how we come to populate the Earth. Our team of population geneticists and anthropologists has created a revolutionary new platform for studying deep ancestry to guide us through this journey. You will submit a saliva sample of your own DNA to our lab. The results will give you an unprecedented view of your lineage. It is an opportunity to take part in a real-time scientific research effort and to discover more by sharing your story with other participants. By participating in this next generation of the Geographic project, you are doing more than uncovering the mysteries of your ancestry. You can play an active role in the historic quest to map the genetic journey of us all by choosing to contribute your own DNA to the project. Which is why the anthropologist in me loves the idea of this one over Ancestry DNA. Like I said, it was a little more expensive, but I felt like I was a traitor to anthropologists everywhere for not doing this one if I didn't do this one. So I'm doing this one. It says the greatest history book ever written is the one hidden in our DNA. Basically your story. It says you will discover the migration paths your ancient ancestors followed thousands of years ago and learn the details of your ancestral makeup, your branches on the human family tree. So basically the ethnicity part of it will break down like this. That says Native American, that says Sardinian, that one says British Isles, Western Africa. But I think from what I've seen from other reviews is that it breaks down and actually can tell you kind of what region of those areas that you more closely correlate with in your DNA. And your Neanderthal ancestry. So it will tell you what percentage of your DNA is actually Neanderthal DNA. It says most non-Africans are between 2 and 4% Neanderthal. Indigenous sub-Saharan Africans have no Neanderthal DNA because their ancestors did not migrate through Eurasia. And Neanderthals apparently, I believe, along the migratory path, which a couple of pages in it'll kind of show an example of that. But Neanderthals were still present up in Eurasia, and then when modern humans migrated from Africa and kind of up through Europe and then through Asia, somewhere there was some intermingling and a couple different species kind of did some things and mixed, interbred, and that's why some of us do have Neanderthal DNA. A lot of people didn't know that Neanderthal DNA Neanderthals were actually a separate species that were around at the same time. So, little history lesson for you. It says, our story, your results are just the beginning. By regularly visiting the Geographic project website, you can find out much more as Geographic scientists pull together connections, uncover new paths, and provide fresh insights into your ancestry. So, yep, there's that. There's some people. These are the migratory paths. When you submit your sample, they will trace your maternal and paternal pathways, and this is what it'll look like. See, pretty much all humans originated from Africa, right here. So it'll tell you, you know, if your line, which lines, if your maternal branch, they come up and then went this way, or if it came up and then just went that way, or, you know, also with your paternal line. So you could have your paternal line could have went this way and your maternal line went this way, and then they met up somewhere. So that's pretty cool. Oh, and it says, has years ago on there too. So it runs from 60,000 years ago up to 10,000 years ago for the migratory path patterns. Interesting. And it says, you are adding your own chapter to the human story. Okay. So to the box that came with the kit. This is the box right here. It says Helix up here. See what you're made of. And then on the back it says Helix empowers everyone to explore what makes them unique, their DNA. From health and wellness insights to family planning, ancestry information, you can connect to Helix's partners to gain relevant insights for today, tomorrow, and years to come. So, open it up. And it says right here on the front of the box, 1, register. To get started, register your unique kit ID located below and read the online instructions carefully before providing your sample. And then it comes with another little booklet on that inside. And let's see, in here it just says, if you want to be proactive about your health, take a look at your own DNA. 1 in 200 people are descendants of Genghis Khan. How about you? Catch me outside. How about that? The secret to being a morning person may live in your DNA. Can't stand the taste of cilantro? It's not you. It's your genes. Not my genes. Because this girl loves cilantro on everything. Says, find out what matters to you. Says, the future of DNA learning is vast and in large part uncharted. As the science evolves, so will Helix and the insights available to you. By putting the latest and greatest body of genetic information at your fingertips, you can explore what matters to you when you want. And also much interested in DNA modification or whatever they're hinting at right there. But I do want to contribute my DNA for tracing past pathways, I guess. It says, so how does Helix work? Get sequenced. Helix's world-class laboratory uses the most advanced technology to read your DNA, all from one saliva sample. Amazing, right? Gain insights. Through Helix's network of partners, you can understand more about yourself through your genes, from where you came from to how you react to certain foods and what diseases you're more risk of. Stay curious as science evolves, so will Helix. Sequence once and get immediate access to the latest DNA insights. There's that. Alrighty, so to the testing kit itself. Okay, it comes with these 2 boxes inside the bigger box. This one says, number 2, collect. Use the provided tubes to collect your saliva sample. Please do not eat, drink, smoke, or chew gum 30 minutes prior. Number 3, send. Place your saliva sample in this prepaid shipping box and drop in any USPS mailbox. So the collecting kit, open it up, and it's got this little medical grade looking thingamajig-bob. And it's got a plastic tube in here. This is the saliva collector. You will spit in here, fill it up with your saliva. I'm assuming put this little cap on, and then you will seal it up and place it in the yellow box right there and mail it off. But I probably will not do mine until tomorrow morning. I may do it tonight, Buffalo Froggy, but I probably won't do it until, I'll probably do it as soon as I wake up in the morning, and then I will put it in the mailbox. Then the yellow little box that came with it, it comes with a pre-labeled box too, or return label already on there. So you put it in there, seal it up, and you send it off. It'll take about 6 to 8 weeks to get the results back. So, I mean, whether I do it tonight or tomorrow morning, it doesn't really, it's not going to make a difference because it's not going to go in the mail till Monday. Anyway, so I will send that off in 6 to 8 weeks when I get a notification that the results are ready. I will promise not to look at the results. I won't peek. I will record myself reading the results, and I will let everyone know. I'm hoping that I can get the Facebook Live thing figured out and keep my kid from destroying my house in the meantime. But I kind of want, when I read my results, I want everybody to find out with me, so that, you know, we can kind of see what we think about that. But okay, thank you guys for watching my video. Hopefully this one turned out a lot better than the Facebook Live one. But let me know if you have any questions or what you think. Bye.